Hello everybody. This video will be the tutorial on installing the Watchguard SSL VPN to your client machine. First we're going to go to the software.watchguard.com. I'll link that in the description for your convenience. So in this tutorial, we're going to be trying to connect to a T45 Firebox. So we're going to hit go on that. Let me refresh here. T45, perfect. So when we switch to T45, we're going to get a whole bunch of options here. We want this WatchGuard mobile VPN with SSL software. Obviously, I'm on a Windows box, so we're going to get that loaded that way. So we're going to click on that. We're going to accept accept that. Obviously, if you do not have admin permissions, you'll have to reach out to us here to get that installed for you. Back up here. So yeah, so we just want the full installation. Make sure the tap driver is also checked. This default location is just fine for us. For your convenience, I'd recommend ticking both boxes for creating a desktop icon as well as creating a quick launch icon. So we're going to go next. We're going to hit install. Finishing the installation. Normally doesn't take too terribly long. Just like that, we're done. So we're just going to hit finish on that. Perfect. So at this point, we'll get to the screen. Somebody from Baker Tech here should have provided you with a server, either domain or an IP address. In this tutorial, I'll just do 1.1.1.1 just as something to put there. If your site is domain linked, if you have a Windows domain, which odds are you do, you're going to put in your domain username that you'd use to log into the machine. For some people, for some organizations, it's first initial, last name. Others, it's just first name. Others, it's any combination. But whatever that combination is for your organization, make sure you follow that. So in this, we're just going to put demo, and then you'd put in the password, and you'd hit connect. That would be all you'd have to do to get connected up to that VPN. So you can always double click here if it doesn't show up. But the biggest thing you're going to want to see is down on the taskbar. If we hit the show hidden icons, you should see the magnifying glass with a W in it. If we right click on that, that's where we're going to have that connect or the status. So if we look at the status right now, it's blank. So obviously we are not connected, but we have this connect option, so we could hit that, and the server and username should populate that way. It will remember, or it is supposed to remember at least, the last logged in user onto that. So it should remember the server and it should remember the username. Those are the two things, but you'll have to enter your password. And that password is the same one you use to log into your computer every morning that way too. So other than that, you should be all set to go. Once you get the connected prompt, you're in good shape. Thanks for watching.